Right, it's been a while. Haven't seen the car for a while. We're back here at Clarence Town. Darren's been hard at work on it, so let's have a bit of a look at how it's come along. Right here, got the new bump bar. We've got the new different style nose cone from Craig Davis. New guards fitted. I had that door on, but it's been rejigged a bit. First time in a long time. It's been sanded back, so the paint should stick to it this year. With test paint on there on the boot lid and the bump bar. So work in progress. We've got a new radiator shroud cover. You can see here, might be a bit dark, but we have pipes all covered up. Battery bracket floors all been repaired. Here on this side. Yeah, this has all been painted. Stripped back, it's nice and smooth now. It's got 10 coats of paint on no more. This side looks a bit more like it did. It has this door was a bit ordinary. Probably should have bought a new one, but we didn't. So we've got it all out and patched up where it was split on the side. Yeah, so we got the doors all patched up. Handle has all been sanded back. You can see previously the car had been yellow, black, all different colours before we had it. So some of the silver on these door frames when they were Mitchell Farrelly's car. The new rear bumper. Could be smooth out the side. So yeah, it's come along. There's just new front end parts here. Got some new top arms, wheel bearings, bottom ball joint got damaged in the crash. Yeah, for the drivers, you can see how much nicer it is. The floors have been painted, cleaned out. Pedals got some grip tape on them. So yeah, it's getting there. There we go, so it's a quick update of the progress Darren's made on the car. So he said next week or so he should have it back to do the signs and give it a bit of a test out and get ready for hopefully for Tamworth in January or Gunnedah early February. And yeah, as always, don't forget to make any comments, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll see you next time.